So with international tensions being at an all-time high, and you got the United States and Putin's just being a big old boob. He's being a big old D-dub. I thought I would do my part to make sure that when Russia comes over the border, that I'm gonna know how to handle, you know, some weaponry, okay? So I can kick all the Ruskies out when they come over, flooding over. I can do my part. So you're saying that this is the place? There's like nothing out here. You can't even hear traffic. This is where we go to die. This is where we go to die, isn't it? You brought us here to die. Wait, show me.
Huh?
Show me. Where?
The website?
Can't really see that well. We have to walk through here. Don't be afraid. I'm gonna know that these are poisonous because they have rounded leaves. In here. That looks like a security risk. This is one of the more creepier things I've ever done. Can this really be the place? Oh my God, look at this. So now we just get lost in the very strange, desolate building. Isn't that what you were looking for?
I think this is it, this way.
Okay. Do people work here?
Yeah.
Smells like lumber. This is so creepy. There's just endless dark hallways. This is where you go to die. Manufacturing.
Yeah.
We don't know where we are. And we're going to die here. So apparently we went in the wrong entrance, so we have to go downstairs to the lower level. And then that's where they are. I don't hear any gunshots yet, so the party hasn't started. Nor will start until I arrive. This looks like the place. It looks like we found it. Did we find it?
I think this is it.
Yes! Look at this thing. Can you open it up? It's got a bungee cord that keeps it from opening. Interesting. Ooh. Ooh. What am I signing? Oh my God, is it in Russian?
26. Time. I don't know.
Is this where I want my body delivered? So, we're ready. I am ready.
The Kalashnikov is really king.
So, can you tell me a little about this gun? Where is it from?
This is made in Polish.
Ooh.
This is AKMS modernizowany because normal Polish is more heavy like this.
Ooh, may I?
Grip
Yes.
is from close.
Ah,
you can sit
underneath.
down and you also can fight because all.
So there's a lot of
It's something like paratroopers version.
Gotcha.
Okay. Inside is only 3 parts.
Ooh.
Here is compression.
Yeah.
45 degrees. This
Yep.
move it is
Yep.
the same from the compression.
You can stand up and come here.
Okay.
What?
No, it's got to masz tam tori wal.
Howdy.
Left little first, right inside back, and your body from this way
Yeah.
will be. You must be seeing from this small part.
Yes.
One must be together line. And
Yes. I remember this from a video game once.
this is safety.
Yeah.
This is full. This is same.
Is this full auto?
Full.
Full.
Yes.
So,
like
this and then
like this. Yes.
a little bit of a baseball player in my day. So I know a little bit about being in the batter's box.
Few people, which one I know, can take it 2.
Yeah.
And from one move it. Few people also take it 3.
How about 4? You're good enough where you can do 4, right?
It's maximum.
Now 2 at a time, right?
No, you need practice. An hour. Oh.
Time to go live. Now, should be something like this.
And now it's ready.
All right, which one should I be aiming for?
Go.
The high one or the low one?
Okay. Change distance.
Oh, yeah. As soon as I started shooting, it was like, like, you know? So it's about controlling that. Just. So is this pretty, I mean, this is my first shots ever on anything.
Okay, it's not bad.
Yeah. Is it automatic right now?
It's full.
Look at that. So, Sophia, thank you. And thank you everybody that made that possible. What I didn't realize was gonna be the most difficult part was like having to hold the thing up was about the most difficult part. Now I can see why people don't shoot full auto. You saw it, right? It was like the first 2 shots were like perfect. And then the rest of them were just gone. I remember about 4 shots into it, I was like, where the hell am I? I like started, I just remember, I just have this flash now of like, I was looking at the ceiling. Like, I was like, that's not where I'm aiming. It's fun. Thank you for making it possible.